In today's fast-paced digital world, email marketing continues to be a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their audience. However, as technology evolves and consumer behaviors change, it's crucial to stay ahead of the game and adapt your email strategy accordingly. To help you revolutionize your approach in 2024, we've compiled 5 trending techniques that will take your email marketing efforts to new heights. Personalization. Creating meaningful connections. Why is personalization important? It's simple. Customers want to feel valued and understood by the brands they engage with. By tailoring your emails based on individual preferences and behavior patterns, you can create meaningful connections that resonate on a deeper level. How can you achieve this? Start by segmenting your email list based on various criteria such as demographics, purchase history, or engagement levels. This allows you to send targeted messages that are highly relevant to each group. Additionally, consider using dynamic content within your emails. This technique enables you to display different content blocks based on recipient data or actions taken. Interactive elements. Engaging experiences. What captures attention more effectively than static text? Interactive elements. Incorporating interactive elements into your emails not only grabs recipients' attention but also provides them with engaging experiences that encourage interaction and boost conversions. When it comes to interactivity in emails, the possibilities are endless. You can include features like image carousels, GIFs or videos showcasing product demonstrations, or even interactive quizzes or polls for feedback gathering purposes. Automation. Streamlining workflows. Automation has become an indispensable part of successful email marketing strategies due to its ability to streamline workflows while delivering personalized content at scale. By leveraging automation tools and platforms available in the market today, businesses can set up triggered campaigns based on user behavior triggers such as abandoned carts or website visits without conversion. This enables timely and relevant communication that increases the chances of conversion. Mobile optimization. Capturing on-the-go audiences. With the increasing reliance on mobile devices, it's crucial to optimize your emails for mobile viewing. Ignoring this aspect can lead to a significant loss in engagement and conversions. To ensure your emails are mobile-friendly, focus on creating responsive designs that adapt seamlessly across different screen sizes. Optimize email load times by compressing images and utilizing concise yet impactful content. Additionally, consider using larger fonts and clear call-to-action buttons to enhance readability and user experience. AI-powered insights. Data-driven decision-making. In the era of big data, harnessing its power through artificial intelligence, AI, is essential for making informed decisions about your email marketing strategy. By analyzing vast amounts of customer data, AI-powered tools can provide valuable insights into consumer behavior patterns, preferences, and trends. These insights enable you to create hyper-targeted campaigns that resonate with your audience on a personal level. Additionally, AI algorithms can help optimize send times or subject lines based on historical performance data, maximizing open rates and click-through rates. Conclusion. Revolutionizing your email strategy in 2024 requires staying up to date with emerging trends while keeping your customers' needs at the forefront. By implementing personalization techniques, incorporating interactive elements, leveraging automation tools for streamlined workflows, optimizing emails for mobile viewing experiences, and harnessing the power of AI-driven insights, you'll be well equipped to take your email marketing efforts to new heights. So don't wait any longer. Start implementing these trending techniques today. Remember that success lies in adapting quickly to changing consumer behaviors while delivering value-added experiences through every email interaction.